what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. This video we are going to build a loft in my creator cave shop thing, something like that. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I actually got a 10 by 30 storage unit where I am keeping my Fox body and the spare parts car back there. And this is also going to be like my work area. So since it's going to be my work area, we're going to put a loft in here. All right, now since we got all of the junk moved out the way, we actually got a working area. We're gonna do one post probably along right here, and then another one right here. But right now I'm just kind of framing it up to see what all I need. My wife is staring at me. Why are you staring at me?
It's called observation.
Okay. But yeah, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. The tire rack, if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead, click up there. The tire rack actually worked out pretty well, so let's see if we can do something with the loft. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? All right, now that I cut a few pieces of wood, you can kind of see what I mean by the loft. This up here is going to be the platform. This is not staying like this. I just wanted to get the frame up just to see what all I need. Like I said, I never done this before. So now that you can get the full picture of how everything is supposed to be, I am going to strengthen up the middle. I'm debating on if I want to put this across the middle. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do some more work, but right now I just wanted to get the frame just to see what I need, what type of wood, what type of materials. It's just high enough so the car can fit underneath there, but I'm mainly going to use this bottom area to hold like my toolboxes and stuff. I'm also going to get something to brace the bottom of this so I can anchor it into the concrete so this doesn't just slip out. Look at that, that's level 2. I always wanted a shop with a loft. I don't know why, I just always wanted one. It was always cool to me. But now it's time for me to clean up all of this mess. I'm actually going to take the Fox body home tonight, so that'd be pretty cool. All right, so now we're back in the Fox body. It's been a minute since I drove a manual. All right guys, so it's another day. It's actually the third day. I came up here yesterday and well, let's just say I had to call a buddy of mine. Thank you, Bear, for helping me out. Pretty much he told me that if I tried the way that I was going to try it, I was going to fall through it. So this is how we're doing it now, which is still the same way except for we got a 4x4 post right here. We went ahead and cut it down a few inches just so we can put this on there so it can be leveled with that. We also stopped by at Home Depot to get a few miscellaneous things that I would need in order for me to put this together safely. And yesterday, while I was working on it, well, I broke my tape measure. So you see how much it's shaking when it moves back and forth? So I just went ahead and got a nice Milwaukee one. It was on clearance, and it just so happened I was walking by one of the employees and they was just like, hey, you looking like you need a tape measure. Here you go, it's on clearance. I said, cool. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I also got some stuff to anchor into the ground so this post can stay where it needs to stay and not move back and forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that. Go ahead, cut these pieces up, and I'm gonna show you what the end result look like.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
All right, guys, so we are back. It's another day, and I'm also recording off of my phone now because I ran out of space on my memory card. Yeah. So if it sounds different, looks different, that's why. Right behind me, got the setup. Everything look like it's working out. It's pretty strong, it's pretty sturdy, and I think I have a plan now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that plan real quick. As you can see, I have the 4x4 post going along the top and the sides for the stable point. I also have it anchored into the ground. It is not going anywhere at all. Also have metal support right here, and then a little tie down strap. I'm not sure if that's doing much, but I added on there just to make sure that it can stay in place. I also put a 2x6 on this side and on that side over there. And my plan is I have these straight pieces of wood that you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot for free, and I cut them down to 15 inches. That is what I am going to use to space my wood apart along the loft. Oh, I hope my wife don't get mad at me. I'm just trying to prove a point of how stable it is. Yeah, that's a good 200 pounds sitting on top of this, and no flex at all, no bend. I'm standing up straight, but my head's kind of tilted down. But also, this is insulation right here, so it's not like I'm gonna stand up too high and hit my head and knock myself out and fall off to well, the GT. But other than that, I mean, I'm pretty excited about this. All right, guys, here it is. I'm not gonna lie, it is very, very sturdy. Go ahead and climb up here, show you how sturdy it is. No problems at all. Now, I did have to add a thicker piece of wood right here because this is where I'm planning on being at, because I'm finna have a workstation up here, and also this is where I'm gonna have my metal shelf at, so it's gonna be up against that wall so I don't have to worry about it. I am happy about this, very happy about it. And like I said, it's almost lost my balance, high enough to where if I wanted to, I can slide the red car underneath here. I'm also going to keep my toolboxes over here, probably some other miscellaneous stuff. I'm not sure what yet, but I have some extra storage area. And then on top of the storage area, I have a place where I have a working area. Now the only thing that I have to do is put the plywood down, and also I gotta put up a barrier and build a ladder, because I'm not gonna keep using this aluminum ladder. It's nice, but I need something permanent. Click on this video right here so you can see the final product and how much it costs. I guarantee you won't guess what it is. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.